Welcome to Rapid Tech Stories. The long-awaited, highly anticipated Motorola X40 is now a reality. Even though Motorola was late to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 party thanks to the Xiaomi 13 series and Vivo X90 Pro Plus, the X40 has a lot going for it. The front of the device features a 6.7-inch curved display with a 165Hz refresh rate, a 1080x2400 pixel screen resolution, 10-bit colors, HDR10+, and DC dimming. As expected, the phone has up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage paired with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Before we go further, if you like the content, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more people. The Moto X40 has 3 cameras on the back, a 12MP telephoto lens, a 50MP ultrawide lens, and a 50MP primary camera. And on the front, there is a 60-megapixel selfie camera. Yes, a 60-megapixel selfie camera. We have no idea why? The Motorola X40's 125W charging is another impressive feature. It also has wireless charging, but it's dismally weak at only 15W. Near stock Android 13, and notable additional features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, a 3002 square mm vapor chamber cooling system, and an IP68 grade for water and dust protection. As expected, the device will first launch in China, and it will go on sale on December 22nd. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such rapid tech stories. Thanks.